moving through the membrane between the then and now. Consciousness unfolding, can't tell you how. Something draw you backward, back before the birth. Retreat in time and space now, older than the earth. Dissolving into golden grain. Something you forget now, coming back again. Softer than the first time, warmer at the edge. Retreat in time and space now, step beyond the ledge. Before now, before the world turned loud, something in the regression, rising through the shroud. Ancestor are calling from the golden side. Retreat in time and space now, let the current guide. Time now running straight line, circle back like tide. Every life you ever lived, moving deep inside. Consciousness are reaching back before the name. Retreat in time and space now, nothing quite the same. Moving through the membrane between the then and now. Consciousness unfolding, can't tell you how. Something draw you backward, back before the birth. Retreat in time and space now, older than the earth. Golden light are calling, warm on every side. Every version of you moving with the tide. Retreat in time and space now, feel the current draw. Consciousness returning,